new working station. Now I used to have those cube organizers, but they were just way too low, and I needed something that was a little bit taller so I can stand or either sit and, you know, work. So I decided to get another one of these wire shelves, and instead of building it into one tall unit, I split it into two. So on this side, I don't know if you can see, I only put one shelf, and then I got this chrome bar, which I still need to paint, but I need to get the two bars on the sides, but I can't find the size, so I don't know if I'm just gonna go like a size bigger and then just have my husband cut them and then weld them to size, and then once I have those, I'm gonna spray paint them white. But this side I want it like this because I want to be able to either stand and work or be able to put my little, you know, seat there and work. And then on this side I kept the shelves so I can store, you know, more things here. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good.